So in this video we are going to discuss stomach in detail. Okay, so stomach. First thing you need to know is like our stomach is divided into a lot of parts. So the first part it's like esophagus, then it's opening into stomach. Okay, so first is esophagus, not important. We have just discussed esophagus before. Then our first part of the stomach is known as cardia because it's present near to the heart, so we call it as a cardia because the word cardia is used for heart. Okay, so it's mean that's very near to the heart, that's why we call this the cardia. Here second, the upper part, fundus help in storing the food just because it's like give a curve structure. Curve, this means if you're, it's like this one, if you have eaten a lot and your food have been become like very full, so this give a extra storage to a food so that it don't go into heart region. And yes, that's very important point. You might have noticed that few people say I have not pain but like my heart really burns, or sometimes a very acidic feeling that you get. It's just because they have eaten a lot, and instead of this storage they feel like they're having pain in this one cardiac sphincter. But that exactly pain or that exactly is all about stomach, because you might have eaten a lot and then you feel something happening here that is specifically not in your heart but that's in your stomach. Okay, it's like very important point for you. Then you will see we have body, the body. Then the last part is pylorus part. It's like four underlying part are known stomach. And yes, very important point. You might have seen in books that stomach is about like J-shaped structure. J-shaped. It's literally not. It's two, but it's like J-shaped. This does not seem J. However, this is stomach is C-shaped. Stomach is C-shaped. Stomach is C-shaped, but from body it's like from here to the entire rest part. So from body to the pyloric region, that's around J-shaped. J-shaped is from body. Okay, so this should be very much clear. Now we're going with few basic more information. Our stomach is around, like our stomach helps is storing food from 4 to 5 hours. It stores our food 4 to 5 hours, and that's also very specific. It's like you eat a lot of things like carbohydrate, protein, and lipid as well, so they have separate ratio. When you eat any carbohydrates, carb, it, the stomach stores your carbohydrate for maximum 1 to 2 hours. 1 to 2 hours. Okay, when you eat, I mean protein, it stores more than, like not more than, but it's around 3 to 4 hours. And when you eat fat, I mean lipid, fat is like to need more time, so it's around 4 to 6 hours fat need to dissolve or take into part. 4 to 6 hours, it's like very good ratio if you remember this all. Then our stomach is J-shaped and it's divided into upper and lower part. And in our stomach we'll see a lot of sphincter. So we have two types of sphincter in our stomach. Two types of sphincter. The upper, if this is the stomach, you will see here it's like heart present near to that, so that this sphincter is known as cardio. And here the last region is pyloric. So we have, first is cardio sphincter, and the second one is pyloric sphincter.